Welcome back, and in this video I'm gonna build a simple click game in Scratch and add a score. So here I'm in Scratch and I have a sprite on the screen. First I'm gonna go to variables and I'm gonna create a new variable called score. I'm gonna click for the sprite only. So there's my score. So now I'm gonna go to events and drag the when green flag is clicked. Then I'm going to go back to my variables and then I'm going to drag the set my variable to 0 and I'm going to change it to 0, set score to 0. So every time when the green flag is clicked, it will reset back to 0. So now next I'm going to go to events again and I'm going to drag the when the sprite is clicked, and then I'm going to go to motion and add the go to a random position. So here it is, go to a random position. So every time the sprite is clicked, it will go to a random position on the stage. Now you're going to go back to my variables and add a change score by 1. So this change it to score. So every time it clicks, it will change my score by 1, and when the green flag is clicked, it will reset my score back to 0 again. So let's test it. So I'm going to click the sprite and it has to jump to a new position and the score has to go up. See, when I click it, the score increases. So every time I'm clicking it, the score goes up and it goes to a random position. And when I click, when green flag is clicked, it must be able to set my score back to 0 again. So green flag is clicked and then my score is back to 0. And the sprite is clicked, go to a random position, green flag is clicked, it goes back to 0. So this is a simple game, but it shows how we can use variables and interaction in Scratch. So thanks for watching.